Today's topic is reflection, class 10. Actually, what is reflection? I'll give you one example. By this example, you would be come to know what is reflection. See, just look at here. Mn is a plane mirror. A is an object which is 1 meter away from this mirror. You will notice that this object image will be 1 meter behind the mirror. So it means distance of object from mirror and image distance from mirror always remain same. AP equals to PA dash in the case of reflection. What is this line called? This line called mirror line, or you can say this is a mediator line. Now see second point, reflection according to the axis, according to the x-axis, according to the y-axis. Reflection, suppose for this point I am taking one example. Suppose I have taken a point 2, 3. You have to do all the reflection question on the graph. On the graph sheet, see this 2, 3 I have taken, plot 2, 3 on the graph and reflection of 2, in the x-axis. First point, see here. So 2, 3 reflection in the x-axis will be how it will be reflect 2, 3 in the x-axis. X-axis becomes a mirror, or you can say mediator line like this. So 2, 3 will come here. Check the distance of the object from mirror and check the distance, image distance from mirror. These two distance remain same. So this image will be here 2, minus 3, answer. Now second point, reflection of A in the y-axis. Y-axis becomes a mirror now. 2, 3 is here. Check the distance from y-axis and take same distance this side. So this will become minus 2, 3. This is the answer when A is reflecting in the y-axis. Now reflection of third point. See the third point here. When reflection of 2, 3 in the origin. Origin is this point. So this point becomes a mirror. So now this image will be like this, in front of mirror here, behind the mirror here. So answer is minus 2, minus 3 when this is reflecting in the origin. What is the answer? Minus 2 and minus 3. Now these are the reflection about axis. Now reflection in the line. Again I am taking same example 2, 3. Plot on the graph 2, 3. Now reflection of 2, 3 in the line. First point, x is equal to 4. How you will take line x is equal to 4? On the x-axis, take on line, straight line parallel to y-axis. This line is called x is equal to 4. Now we are reflecting this 2, 3 in the x is equal to 4. So this line will be a mirror line. Check the distance of this object from mirror line. It is 2. So it will go to this side in front of this. Now this is coming 6, 3. So A image will be 6, 3 when it is reflecting in the line x is equal to 4. Now second point, when 2, 3 again, I am taking again same example 2, 3 is reflecting in the line y is equal to 5. So on the y-axis take one line from 5. So now this line will be parallel to x-axis. 2, 3 is here, check the distance, it is 2. So 2 it will go away from this side. So what is the image of this 2, 3 will be 2, 7. Answer this is now. Now fourth point. Fourth point, invariant reflection. What is invariant reflection? If this, see here, I am taking for invariant reflection one example 2, 0. 2, 0 will be on x-axis. Plot on this point, it will come on the x-axis. Now we are reflecting on the same axis. If point is on the x-axis, now we are reflecting in the x-axis. So it won't go anywhere. Reflection remain here only because it is on the mirror line. If any point is on the mirror line, so it won't be reflect of that line, that mirror line. So answer will be same 2, 0. So this type of reflection is called invariant. Now exercise 10b. You don't have to do exercise 10a. There is a point AB and reflecting in the y-axis. This is given in the question. You can read question number 4 in your book. When AB, this point P P coordinates are not given. When it is reflecting, this image is given in the book 3 comma minus 3 comma 5. So what is that point? They are asking object, image is given. So just take back reflection this side. So check the distance, take same distance this side. So this will come 3 comma 5. So A value will be 3 and B value will be 5. So P has come. Now second point, when P is reflecting in the x-axis. Now this point is going to reflect in the x-axis. X-axis becomes a mirror now. So yes, check the distance. The same distance it will come down. So answer will be 3 comma minus 5. Second point answer. Now third point. When P is reflecting, this P 3 comma 5 it is. When P is reflecting in the line y is equal to minus 3. So y is equal to minus 3. This is the line y is equal to minus 3. Reflection in the line we are doing now. This becomes a mirror. So check the distance this object from mirror. It is 8 till here. From this point to this point it is a 8 distance. You can count. So it will go 8 down in front of P. So it is coming at 3 comma minus 11. So this is the answer of third part. Now come on the question number 7. In question number 7, object coordinates are given and image coordinate are also given. Now they are asking what is the mediator line equation. Mediator line means mirror line. So check the distance between these two, object and image, and take just between of these 2 points. Take the just between them a straight line. It is going at 5 on x-axis. So this mediator line equation will be x is equal to 5. X is equal to 5. So this is the midway of A and this point A dash. You can say A dash. So x is equal to 5. Answer. Now see 15 question. Question number 15. In question number 15 there is a given point P. Now P is reflecting. P is given minus 3 and minus 2. When it is reflecting in the x-axis, so what is the answer? They are asking. So now x-axis becomes a mirror. This is object. So this will come here. Same distance, check the distance from here to here and here to here. So mirror distance from object and mirror distance from image will be same. So it is coming here actually when it is reflecting in the x-axis minus 3 and 2. So P dash is minus 3 and 2 answer. And P dash is reflecting in the origin. They are saying in the origin. The origin is here. So it will go here. 3 comma minus 2 answer. Now see the question number 20. In question number 20, first of all, they are saying plot, first part, plot the point A and B. A is given 3, 2, you will plot on the graph. B also 5, 4 given, you can plot it. Now second point, reflect A 3, 2 in the x-axis, 3, 2. X-axis is this line. So this becomes a mirror. So it will come here. When it is reflecting in the x-axis, similarly they are saying reflect B in the x-axis. So B will come here. Now see the third part. In third part, tell the name of this figure A, B, B dash and A dash. It is a trapezium. Answer. Now see the next point. Which line is a line of symmetry of this figure? So line of symmetry, what is line of symmetry? Actually it is a line which divide any figure into two identical parts. So this figure is this one. Which line is dividing this line? Which line is dividing this figure into two identical parts? So x-axis is dividing. See the upper part and lower part are same. So what is the line of symmetry? X-axis. Because x-axis is dividing this figure into two identical parts. Now see the next point. Find the angle AB dash. AB dash. This angle, it will come 45. When you will measure by protractor, it will come 45 degree. Now see the next point. Reflection of 3, 2 in the origin. 3, 2 reflect in the origin. So this is origin. This is here point object. It will come here. Origin becomes a mirror. Now see the last point. Last point is and tell the relation between A dash and A double dash. They are asking single transformation. single transformation from A dash to A double dash they are asking. So what is the single transformation means? You have to tell the relation between A dash and A double dash. So what is the answer? Reflection of A dash in the y-axis will be A double dash. So reflection of A dash in the y-axis. This is the relation between A dash and A double dash. So children, this is your reflection topic. Next time we will take new topic. Thank you.